Hi, and welcome to Chef's Review. You all probably have tried at least once in your life a hot dog. It's a very popular fast food dish all over the world. One thing needs to be remembered. Hot dogs have to be served really quickly. Nobody wants to wait for hot dogs longer than a minute from ordering. Okay? In order to do so, Royal Catering has a bun spit toaster. So let me just tell you what it is. First of all, as you can see, it's a portable device. There's two handles on the side, so it's easy to carry around in your kitchen. Of course, the device works with 230 volts, so you just plug it in and off you go. Control, there's only one. There's on switch, and with the power of 200 watts, all the 4 heating rods will start heating. So all you have to do is just take a bun, put it on, just like so, and that's what it is. So this spit toaster will toast the bun from inside out. Okay, so if you have a hot dog bun spit toaster just like this one, you might also be interested in a hot dog steamer. On the website you will also find a variety of roller grills for hot dogs, the ones you've seen on a gas station, let's say. If you order this machine, it will come in a box just like this, with lots of packaging material, styrofoam, with a really nice fit, so the device will not move in transport, so nothing will happen to it. Along with the box and the styrofoam, the producer gives you also a 3-year warranty. So should anything break, just send it back and they fix it for you. They send it back to you in no time. So if you liked the video, just leave us a comment what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you next time. Thank you very much guys for watching, and see you next time.